For over a century, Baldwin Locomotive Works built the iron horses that conquered a continent. They were untouchable, unstoppable, and absolutely dominant. But when the world changed, Baldwin's leaders made a choice that would destroy everything their company had built. What happened next wasn't just corporate failure. It was systematic deception on a scale that would make modern scandals look like paperwork errors. And by the time anyone realized what was really happening, it was already too late. This is the story of how America's locomotive empire collapsed not from the outside, but from corruption and incompetence at the very top. Long before Baldwin Locomotive Works collapsed under its own weight, it was one of the most respected industrial names in the country. The company began in the 1830s when Matthias Baldwin built a small experimental engine. That single project evolved into a manufacturing powerhouse that eventually shaped the entire North American rail network. For more than a century, Baldwin didn't merely build locomotives. It defined what American locomotives were supposed to be. Railroads expanded at a pace no other industry could match, and Baldwin rose with them. As Western territories opened and cities connected through long-distance rails, Baldwin supplied engines for a wide range of roles: heavy freight, premier passenger trains, steep mountain districts, and industrial railways. A Baldwin locomotive wasn't just a machine, it was a symbol of reliability, craftsmanship, and national progress. When a railroad wanted to prove it was serious, it bought a Baldwin. By the early 1900s, the company's Philadelphia works had become one of the largest manufacturing complexes in the world. It employed thousands of workers, supported entire neighborhoods, and produced locomotives in numbers that dwarfed most competitors. Baldwin earned international respect as well. Foreign governments and private railways ordered engines by the dozens, trusting Baldwin to deliver machines that could survive punishing heat, extreme cold, or the unpredictable conditions of developing rail systems. Steam was the backbone of American transportation, and Baldwin understood steam better than almost anyone. Their engineers refined boiler designs, improved valve gear, and developed locomotives capable of hauling unimaginable loads across long distances. Railroad companies relied on Baldwin not only for production but for technical guidance. If a railroad needed an engine that could handle a specific grade or overcome a unique operating challenge, Baldwin's designers worked directly with them to create a suitable machine. That close partnership reinforced the company's authority and cemented its reputation for problem solving. This period of dominance made Baldwin feel like an institution rather than a business. Generations of workers passed through its shops, and families built entire careers around